Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you an easy praise and worship song called I Love You Lord, and I Lift My Voice. The song was written by Laurie Klein, very beautiful praise and worship song, a little chorus that can be used just to worship our Lord Jesus Christ. Description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart. Print that out, and then you can follow along with me as I teach this lesson. So let's get started. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul. Rejoice, take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. Okay, very easy chorus. It's just so worshipful. I love you, Lord. It's just a little praise and also a prayer to our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, the chords used to play this song is D major, and then A7, and then G major. And you can use the 3-finger G or the 4-finger G. Either one will be okay. And then you have E minor. Okay, and then you have A major. Okay, there's different ways you can play that. So just a quick review on how to play these chords. Looking at D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D major. Okay, and then A7, you want to place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and then you want to strum all strings but this top E string. So let's strum this A string on down, or string number 5 on down. This is A7. Okay, to play A major, just simply take finger number 1 and place it on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and that will be A major. Strum all strings but the top E strings. Lift off that finger is A7. And that's A major, A7. Okay, now I play A7 using this. When I play A major, I typically use the bar. I just bar across strings number 2, 3, 4 and play it that way. It's just simple, more simple and easier for me to play that, but you can play ever how you feel comfortable in playing A major. Okay, and then E minor is a chord. Okay, to play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the string number 4 of the 2nd fret. You want to strum all strings. It's top bass E string and all strings. Very beautiful chord, E minor. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play I Love You, Lord. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is just a simple down, up, down, up. It's 4/4 time, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so start. Okay, let's look at the chord progression and the lyrics of this song. Start off with D. I love you, Lord. Then A7, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul. Rejoice. So let's look at that again, okay? So I lift my voice. Let's see. So let's look at that again. To worship you. We're just going to be kind of playing different chords on each syllable. Okay. To worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. Okay. To G major, D, E minor, D, A major, A7. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. It's kind of similar. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. It's pretty easy. So look at that last line. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a G major, D major, E minor, A7, A, D. Okay, so in A, D, A7, A, D, in your ear, in your ear, in your ear. Okay. All right, this is a very easy course and very worshipful course, singing just a song of prayer. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. Oh, my soul, rejoice. Just a great message and song. If you enjoyed this lesson or like to see more video lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button. Let me know that you're enjoying these songs. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. I'd like to have you join us today. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I could easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers. So thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. God bless you.